Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in to the Almost Naked Chef. I am here to bring to you a fun and exciting tip of the Tuesday about hot chocolate. Vegan hot chocolate, protein hot chocolate. So it's really, really good. So we have our homemade almond milk here, which will be in a later video. We have cocoa powder, our chocolate protein powder, stevia, vanilla extract, a little bit of salt, and we will put some water in there as well. Hot chocolate is so flipping good, and it's nice to have it guilt-free. Who doesn't like chocolate that's guilt-free? So first and foremost, let us put in 1 cup of water and 1 cup of our homemade almond milk, obsessed. There we go. Yum. Just 1 tablespoon of stevia, because I love sweet chocolate. 1 scoop of protein powder. I like to put vanilla extract into things for that extra love and flavor. So just put a capful in. Always love to put a little sea salt too. So just a little bit, because chocolate and, well, I'll put a little bit more. Chocolate and salt goes so nice together. Let's be honest. And then we will want 2 heaping tablespoons of cocoa powder. And then we blend it. An oversized mug, one that says, I woke up like this. Give it a stir, get all those bubbles out of there. And put it in the microwave. So be sure to take it out and give it a stir, because it will overflow. That is what happened to me just now. But this is it, it's beautiful, gorgeous. Take it out, give it a stir. An amazing, thick, rich, creamy, hot chocolate. Vegan protein hot chocolate. Can you really go wrong? Thank you for tuning in to the Almost Naked Chef. I hope you enjoyed this tip of the Tuesday, and be sure to tune in for our 3-ingredient almond milk.